So after the selection of the wood, which you saw in the previous video, now is the cleaning of the wood. Now is the cleaning of the wood and preparation of the wood. So this was the wood that we had selected for our next project, which is a table of 4, dining table of 4, a small project just to show you all how it is done. So after the selection of the wood, so these are all this wood which was selected. These are all the woods. These are the woods that are selected here. So now, as you can see, after we've checked the moisture, everything. We've kept it in sun for some days, and the moisture is done. All the moisture meter, everything is exactly how we need it. It's under 12%. 12%. Those who follow our courses and all, they'll understand what is 12%. So the moisture is under 12%. So everything is done. It is nicely it's aged and all. Everything is fine. Now the next part is preparing. Now is the next stage of preparation of the wood. So preparation of the wood is, you can see this. You can see the weak links, this barks and all. So this has to be removed. Everything has to be removed, and you can see the blade marks here. You see the blade marks. So this has to be smoothened before we go on to the later stage. Everything has to be cleaned and smooth and clear. See the dust particle inside. Everything. So all those who follow our courses and all, they'll understand this. So everything this which I cover in my courses and all. So this is all the dirt, all this mud, everything inside, all the particles inside. This has to be cleaned. So we'll show you how it is done, step by step. Now this is how we have to remove the unwanted bugs here. See this thing what I was referring, cleaning and all. So this is all this thing. This has to be cleared. See this thing. It has to be cleared. So all this thing and the softness here, like you can see here, everything has to be removed like this. You will be encountering different type of woods, so you have to understand. So this is all the soft part. If you can see this soft part, so all this thing you have to get rid of before you jump into the other step, because this, as I told you, this is the soft part which will act like a sponge, and it will just spoil your project and waste your epoxy also. So this thing has to be removed. This entire thing, see, whatever this softness, whatever the soft, whatever is damaged, everything has to be removed, the side parts and all. So usually we use, there are different techniques that we use machines also, but like traditional you can do like this, just with the hammer, and it can be removed. So all this soft tissues of this thing, it all has to be removed. Just use a hammer. See, like it just, this is the soft one. See, so all this thing has to be removed and cleaned before anything else. See, just use the hammer, slightly this thing, and slightly, it's all gone. Here, everywhere. So this is the cleaning process, and obviously this marks which we call blade marks of the factory marks. This. So after that we have to sand this thing, remove this soft part, and then get rid of all these blade marks. Then have to get the smooth finish, and also the sides. The sides will be removing everything. So everything will be like clean and beautiful. Everything, all these things which looks like this now. This thing, with all this thing, it is rough and untidy. It will be clean and beautiful. All this thing, even the bottom part, the other side, the same rule applies to this part also. So everything has to be clean. So we'll show you the result of what happens after the sanding and all. But see here, you can look there. See the insects which are inside, the life which remains inside. So this is how you get surprised. So you have to remove all these things, otherwise they will surprise you during your pour and all. So we get lot of guests such as this. So you have to understand. So see, look at this. So all this thing during this is very important. And after that, obviously I told you to fire down. Use your fire thing and just clean it up. See, look, see how it is. Because this is their house and they will be staying there for quite a long time. So all these things, there will be some surprises waiting for you all there. So all this thing has to be removed and cleaned for everything. So we'll show you the later stage now. So this is how the cleaning part is done. Cleaning and removing the unwanted soft tissues and all. So this is how it's done. See all this soft, this has to go, everything here. Yeah. So see you in the later part now.